Hey guys, Fixin Driven, and today we're not working on BMW. We're working on my 2010 Ford Fusion SE. Finally replacing this arm for this side. I replaced the other side months ago, and it's about time I finally get this side done. I got the wheel off. Yeah, I run spacers. These are Toyota wheels. So the center bore is actually slightly smaller than this here. So I have just enough space to get these to fit on there and have to use these lugs that only work with those wheels. But yeah, and we got the lateral arm right there. You can tell that it's a little bad, a little worn out. We got this nice new one we gotta put on there. Alright, so I got a 15mm socket on the back side of this bolt. I need to break free. Use a little leverage with my foot. Yes. Yes. Easy peasy. Oh yeah. And there she is. Bolt out. And we got the second one here. Oh, it's a little tight. But it's good. That's good. That was easy. Now let's pull this arm out. Just like that. So now, you gotta try to match the length with the new one, and then throw her back in here. I got them roughly lined up. Put it on here and see how she looks with the wheel on. Now for the fun part, getting the new one to sit in place and get the bolts to go in. Come on. Yep. Now I've got that one started. I can work on this top one here, which is going to be a little harder. The top one's close, but oh, I'm gonna adjust it out. I'll have to bring the arm back in. Little eyeball alignment. It's getting close. And we got it. And we're tight. Now that we have bolts all tightened up, keeping those loose so I can adjust it, we can put this wheel back on and then eyeball it till I could get a proper alignment. You know, it's pretty dang close. As it's sitting. I'll adjust it a little bit. So I got a little bit of adjustment. Adjusted it slightly, toe out. I'd rather have it just a little toe out than toe in. But I know, that bushing there is not exactly good. So I'm gonna have to replace both sides with those bushings. But this should help a little bit anyways. But that's done. Just got done doing the lateral arm on the Ford. Now I'm headed to my good friend Jesse's house. Let's do a compression test on this thing. And she's got quite a few miles on her, but she still gets me from point A to point B, and with air conditioning. Yeah, I got a bit of a crack in the windshield. You know, look at this fucking guy buying everybody BMWs. Compression. Do some compression. Pulling my plugs, got my coils, and yeah, working on the third one. He's still messing with that. These are very clean. Very clean. Alright, Speed Racer. It's not happy. Yeah, it's not happy. Yeah. It smells a little rich. Yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All looking pretty good. Yeah, I know I went with the auto lights. Shit's expensive. Not the auto lights, but spark plugs in general. Now it's time to do a compression test.
Under one.
Alright.
You're good. Look at the video. Well, look at the video.
Dude, 155? For having 270,000 miles? Let's get her in cylinder 2.
Moving the cylinder 2. Dog.
Yeah, let's get her.
We got you.
Dude, I'm surprised with cylinder 1.
We are
I'm
never
actually blown
compression
away,
testing
dude.
my 40, by the way. We are never doing that.
Why? It's
'Cause
probably
that's
got good
terrifying.
compression.
That's terrifying.
We should do it.
Just kidding.
We'll
I'm
do
just
it. We'll
kidding.
do it. We'll do it.
One of these days.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't need it right now. Cylinder 2. $150. Cylinder 3. Cylinder 4.